I'll give you 1 minute. Feel free to pause this video and solve this question on your own. The k approaches 0 for the function 3 plus k minus 3 raised to the minus 1 over k. Analyze this question yourself. So the first thing you do is to plug the value of k into the equation and see what it will give to you. If it gives you 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, that means it is indeterminate and we have to use L'Hopital. But if it does not, then that remains our answer. So I believe you have done that. So let's solve it together. Now what you do for this, into this, we have 3 plus 0 raised to the power minus 1 and 3 raised to the power minus 1 over 0. Now let's see where this takes us. Now doing that, 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 3. 3 inverse is the same thing as what? 1 over 3. All divided by 0. So what we have there will give us 0. The bottom, the denominator is also 0. So we have 0 over 0. So this gives us indeterminate answer by direct substitution. And what does that tell us? What that tells us that we can use L'Hopital's rule to solve. So using L'Hopital's rule to solve this, all we need to do is differentiate the numerator from our knowledge of chains rule, because this is a chains rule example. So from our knowledge of chains rule, the minus 1 comes down. We write down our value again, 3 plus k. Minus 1 minus is 1, so you minus 1 from the power, which will be minus 1 minus 1, that gives us minus 2. But chains rule instructs us to differentiate what is inside as well. Differentiating what is inside, we have 1, because differentiating 3 is 0, differentiating k is 1. So we have done that. Differentiating 3 raised to the power minus 1, which is a constant, it gives us 0. So there's no need of writing that, but let's just do that. Differentiating k gives us 1. From here, what we have is actually the limit as k gives us minus 1. So we have a new function 3 plus from the knowledge of indices, we can arrange this in this form to make our work easy. Then we substitute 0 into the equation, which gives us minus 1 over 3 plus 0 all squared, and that gives us minus 1 over 9, and that is our answer.